Now I want you to imagine, what if you can get paid and make money online by simply listening to music? I mean, how cool is that? And it doesn't matter if you're coming from India, Philippines, Nigeria, United States, Pakistan or Bangladesh or any countries in the world. You can still make money online by simply listening to music and get paid just like this $31 and this one right here $96 or even up to $100. So this is how much money you can earn. From just one music you earn $4, and when you listen to 25 musics you earn $100, and when you listen to 50 musics you can earn $200, so on and so forth. And you can repeat this over and over again. Yes, that's right, and all you need is just a mobile phone, and this is super easy and absolutely free. You don't need any money, you don't need any investment at all to do this. And don't worry, I'm gonna show you everything right on this video, so make sure you watch all the way until the end, because I have a little surprise for you that can help you to earn 5 times more money compared to other people. Make sure you don't miss out on that. So before we get into this video, can you do me a quick favor? Can you please scroll down below and help me to like this video? That means a lot to me and you're absolutely amazing to the video. So right now, step number 1, I want you to go on to YouTube right now, and I want you to type in a keyword top music 2020, and I want you to search on this keyword. And so right now you should be able to find there are a lot of music and playlists that you can actually listen to those musics. For example, this one right here, new songs 2020, this one right here, top hits 2020, and there are literally hundreds and hundreds of music that you can find right on YouTube. So right now I want to give you a real life example. So right now I will listen to 3 of these music playlists right here. This one right here, number 1, number 2 and number 3, and I just opened them up right now. So as you can see here, this is the first music playlist that I'm gonna listen right now, and this is the second playlist, and this is the third playlist. So that's all I want you to do on step 1, which is to open up 3 playlists right here on YouTube. So step number 2, right now I want you to go on to a second website, which is ouo.io. As you can see here on top, ouo.io. So right here, by using this website you can actually make more money by simply listening to those music. So basically, as you can see here on this website, we can actually shorten a URL links, and then we can earn big money online, and then we can get paid every single time people visit and click on our URL links. So as you can see here on top right here, this is actually the long URL link of this music video, meaning that whenever people visit this URL link, they're gonna come over to this music video. So what you can do right now is that you can actually copy this link right here, click on copy, and then we're gonna come back to this website right here, and I want you to scroll down below right here. You're gonna see this shortened URL link, and then you're gonna paste your YouTube link right here. So as you can see here, I'll paste my YouTube URL link of this playlist right here right on this website, and I just go ahead and click on this button. So as you can see here, this website will automatically help me to shorten the long URL link of this one right here to a much shorter link. So right now all you gotta do is just gonna click on copy, and that's all you gotta do. So right now I want to show you how much money you can actually get paid from this website. So for example, people from Australia, they click on your shortened link, you're gonna earn $5, right? For example, people from the United Kingdom, they click on your link, you're gonna earn $4.30. So when you scroll down below here, depending on what country of the people click on your link, you can actually make different amount of money. But as you can see here on the minimum side, you can at least earn $1.50 every single time people click on your shortened link. So that's actually a very powerful method that you can actually make money online by simply listening to music videos right on YouTube. But you have to combine with this website ouo.io so that you can get paid every single time you click on the music video URL link. So right now, very important, I want you to pay attention because I'll show you how you can sign up for a free account. So right now I want you to go and click on this button on top, sign up free. And then you're gonna come over to this page where you can register for a free account. Just put in your username, you can put whatever you want, and then put in your email address, your password, confirm your password, and just go and click on this sign up button, as simple as that. So right now, as you can see here, I've successfully logged in into my account. So right here on the dashboard, you can see here, this is a brand new account. They're gonna show you how much money you actually earn from the shortened links. So right now, I want you to go and click on this button right here. Click here to actually shorten a long URL link. So as what I show you in step number 1, I want you to find 3 music videos that you want to listen. So for example, this one right here, I'll just copy the link of the first music video, and I'll come back to this website and I'll paste the YouTube link right here on this section, and I'll go ahead and click on this red button. So as you can see here, this website will successfully help me to shorten this link. And remember, every single time people click on this link right here, you're gonna earn money online depending on where they are coming from. So again, I'll repeat the same thing by go on to the second music playlist, and I go on and copy the long YouTube URL link, click on copy. So again, I'll go back to this website and paste the long YouTube URL link right on this section once again, and I just go ahead and click on this button. So right now I've successfully shortened the second link of the music video, and again I'll repeat this one once again. Go on to the third music playlist, copy the long URL link of YouTube, and once again we're gonna paste the long URL link and click on this button. Once you successfully shorten the 3 links of the 3 music playlists, I want you to go ahead and go on to this link section right here, click on this link, and then you can see here these are all the shortened links that I've successfully created. So this is the 3 links that I just created for 3 of these music videos that I can listen to and actually make money online. So this is it for step number 2. So right now, if you're still watching this video, comment down below I'm champion, because you're absolutely amazing and I help you to make money online, but make sure you keep watching this video. So right now, step number 3, I want you to go on and visit this website, which is Linktree. Okay, Linktree. So basically this is a free website that you and we can use to create a page just like this. So the reason why I want to show you this method is because I want you to earn 5 to 6 times more money. So remember, step number 1, I want you to find 3 music videos, and the more musics that you listen to and the more musics that you actually shorten the link, and the more people click on them, the more money you're gonna make. And by using Linktree, you can create up to 6 links on just one page, and every single time people click on one of these links right here, they're gonna go on and listen to one of these music video, and the more link people actually click on them, the more money I'm gonna make. So this is a very powerful method for you to earn 5 times up to 6 times more money compared to other people. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account on Linktree, all you gotta do is just go ahead and click on this button right here, and then you're gonna come over to this page. Very simple, just put in your email, your username, your password, repeat your password, and just go ahead and click on this register button. So right now, under the link section right here, you're gonna click on this purple button to add a new link. So right now, we're gonna put in these 3 shortened links right here that I just created on this website, and I want to copy this link and put them into this 3 section right here. So don't worry, this is actually very simple. I want to show you everything right on this video. So right now, I just go ahead and copy the first link right here, and I go back to Linktree, and I'll just paste my first shortened link right here. Okay, this is the first link to the first music video. So right now, I go back to copy the second link of the second music video right here and paste the URL link right here on the second section. And again, on the third URL link, I'll go back to this website and just click on copy, and I go back to Linktree and just paste the third link right here that will link to this third music playlist. So as simple as that, all you gotta do is just transfer these 3 shortened links right here into Linktree. So right now, on the next step, you have to actually create a title for each of these links. So for example, this Linktree page right here, these are all the titles of each of these links. So right now, I want to show you how you can put on the title for the 3 music video. This is very simple. You just go back to the music playlist on YouTube, and then you want to copy the title of this video right here and just go and click on copy, and then you're gonna come back here and just paste the title of the video right here. As simple as that. And then for the second link right here, which is on the second music video, and then again we're gonna do the same thing by just copy the name of the music and click on copy, and then we come back to Linktree once again and paste the name of the second link. And again, we're gonna just repeat this one on the third music video. As simple as that. Copy this one, come back to here, and just paste the title right there. So right now, as you can see here, I've successfully created 3 links right here, and this is actually a preview that you can see. So right now, all you gotta do is just go and click on copy, and this is the main link that we're gonna be using. So when you share this link to other people, okay, this is my main Linktree link. When I share this link to other people, people are gonna come over to this page and they'll see 3 music video right here. So when people click on this link, they're gonna go over to the first music video, and when people click on the second link, they're gonna go on to the second music video. And every single time people click on my link, I'll actually earn money online. Say for example, people from Brazil, they click on my link, I'll earn $1.65. And for example, people from Australia click on my link, I'll earn $5. As simple as that. And the more links you actually create, the more music videos that you find that you wanna listen, the more money you will earn. So right now, if you're still watching this video, I want you to comment down below and let me know you are still watching, because as usual, I'll give you some bonus tip that can help you to earn more money online. So right now, I want you to go on to reddit.com, and then you can just click on the blue button here to sign up for a free account. You're gonna come over to this page, just put in your email address and just click on continue. So once you sign up for a free account on Reddit, I want you to go and search on the keyword which is music, and then you're gonna come over to this page, and I want you to click on this link right here, r/music, and then that's gonna take you to this page. As you can see here, basically this is a forum that people discussing and talking about music. So right here you can see there are over 24 million millions members right now, and over 5,000 people are online right on this forum. And then when I scroll down below here, you can see there are a lot of people that are sharing music videos, some playlists on YouTube, some musics that people actually want to listen to. So that's a very powerful strategy where you can share your Linktree link and then share this link right on the Reddit. And then there are a lot of people, they're gonna come over to your page, and whenever they click on one of these links, you're gonna earn money online. So that's a very powerful strategy because you have hundreds and thousands of people, they want to listen to music, and then you're gonna get so many clicks, and then depending on what country they're coming from, you can earn a lot of money online. So that's one way to do it. And the second method is that you can actually share your Linktree link below the comment section of this video. So all of you guys, my subscribers, you can actually click on each other links and listen to each other music videos, and then all of us, you can actually make a lot of money online. So that's the second way to do it as well. So once again, that's a very simple method that you can make money online listening to music. Now if